If you follow me, you know I love Napa. It's one of my very, very favorite places to go, and I get there as often as possible. And I have some favorite wineries that I go to, and people ask me who that is, so I'm sharing with you today. One of the places I always make sure that I go to every visit is Davis Estates. I love their wines. Their line is made by Cary Gott, a wonderful friend of mine. They have a second line by Phillipe Melka, Phase 5, a small batch wine that they produce. This is Phillipe Melka's own label, which I just discovered this last trip up there. Fabulous, beautiful reds again. They also make some whites. If you have an opportunity, try and get in there. My good friends, Ron and Sue Marie Haber. They are lovely, lovely people. It's a tiny winery. They make very limited cases. If you get an opportunity, reach out to them. Also, this is Revana, one of the first wineries I ever visited, a phenomenal estate Cabernet. I love the owner, Madaiah Revana, a really fun guy out of Texas. And this is a 100-point cab out of Pride. I'm so lucky to have it. They were almost gone by the time I got to the winery. And these are some of my favorite wines and my favorite places to go.